probably the last time I'm going home before I move out. So, yeah. And I'm home. New fridge. Morning, y'all. It's your boy, Kevo fucking Funds, and we out here, and I'm having a JP moment here. So, I got the gym all to myself. Good morning. And, yeah, I went to the gym already. I did all that. I'm about to shower, but before I showered, I went into my old room and I saw this. All right, ready? Ooh, sunrise. Man, there's nothing more beautiful than a sunset and a sunrise. And I got a pimple, but hey. So like, since I've been gone, my parents have been buying a bunch of animals in the backyard, like an eagle, butterflies, you have a little turtle, and then where my mom is, we have like how many birds? Lions. Where's the Buddha?
Okay. Is that Damas?
No, I'm just recording a video.
Huh?
I'm just recording a video.
Not too much if I have to make phone calls.
Oh, you went inside.
It's easy.
But just read
Get up, you can't stop, cause it feels like an overdose. Get back, you with the dance floor.
What is good, y'all? It's your boy, fucking Funzy out here. You know, back at it at the Riverwalk.
The same fucking
The
spot
same
we were a
fucking-
couple weeks ago.
Exactly. Let's get it. Okay, so yesterday I was at the dealership for almost 3 hours. They did not do my car until my dad came. Okay, that whole spiel. They basically just emptied out my car and of gas. Emptied out my car of gas. They couldn't figure out why the code was still showing, but they deleted the code when I left. They emptied out the gas tank, and I put premium fuel and then all that stuff, right? And if it comes back, then they probably need to take in the car for a few days and see what the actual problem is. And I went to AutoZone today. This was yesterday, that whole Mitsubishi dealership thing. That was yesterday. I went to AutoZone today and got a mass airflow sensor because I did the coding thing from AutoZone, and they suggested a mass airflow sensor, and I switched out the mass airflow sensor, and the check engine light is gone. And it's running, it's not rumbling anymore. The car would idle like shaky, now it's very steady. So I feel like I got gypped a lot of money. And that's not right. But I just changed the mass airflow sensor, so this is just me speaking out of, you know, new site, nothing, you know, no sight of check engine, but it's running, it's idling very fine right now. It's really nice. So hopefully it's just the mass airflow sensor, but we'll see. And I'll keep this updated. I'm a little infuriated about Mitsubishi because I waited for 3 hours just for them to empty out my tank and figure out. They couldn't even diagnose it technically because they don't know what the exact problem is. So technically they didn't even diagnose it. Because if they diagnose it, that means they know the exact problem. I mean, let's just okay. And I'm just letting my car run, waiting to see if there's any imperfection with the idle, and if a code pops up, you know, or something pops up. So as of right now, nothing. I drove around the block, nothing. So I'm just gonna let it run. And yeah, that's my TED Talk, I think. Hopefully it's just the mass airflow sensor. This car is my baby. It's been with me since high school, right? Well, now I have a beater car. It's a 2008 Honda Civic StickShift. Can't even see it. Oh.